Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 7338. It's run from the 5th 2016 to the 2nd 2018. It's a G6DF 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G6DF 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, left front 19-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.